Lake Bled and Ljubljana, are they worth visiting? Over 2 days in our self-converted camper van, we travelled to Slovenia's top 2 places to visit. We wanted to know not only if Lake Bled and Ljubljana are worth visiting, but which of them was the best to visit. Let's go and find out what we thought of them.
This little Parkup, and all these people behind me are just being dropped off. They're contestants for a Destination X program that's being recorded here in Slovenia. I don't know if anybody famous is there, but it's so exciting watching them, all these contestants turn up and arrive, and they're all going over to a really big, like, massive bus.
It's pretty, isn't it?
Yeah. So this is Lake Bled in Slovenia.
That's that famous castle that everybody looks at, isn't it?
That one over there.
Yeah.
And it's so still.
It is, yeah. It's like glass, isn't it? Yeah. It's a little bit hazy as well, which makes it look a bit...
Yeah.
Pretty, isn't it? Pretty, isn't it? Fancy go? Yeah. You got a supboard for €10 or a rowing boat for 20.
Footboard.
You're bound to fall off. Actually, you were better on a supboard before than me.
We were supboarding in Barbados for like 3 hours and I didn't fall in once. You were in every 2 minutes.
Pretty late to go around, isn't it? Place to have coffee?
Yeah, look at that, you get a sweet coffee.
Oh, that's quality.
Coming to Lake Bled, this is a really nice little cycle route. We've got our Bromptons out this morning, but it's about 10k all around the lake. Loads of viewpoints, nice little coffee shops, and it's just nice, relaxed atmosphere. It's really nice.
Toboggan up there. See it?
I think we should go and do that.
Hey?
I think we should go and do it. I think it looks fun.
It was quite steep.
I wouldn't have thought it would go very fast. But you can go in the front, otherwise I'll just sit on the front with the brakes.
Here we go. So we have paid to do something.
Very unlike us.
Very unlike us. We normally do free stuff. But we paid to do the toboggan.
Yeah.
Because when we were in Morzine earlier in the year, Kaz wanted to do toboggan. So we're going to do it. See how it goes.
I'm excited.
hours later.
That was quick, wasn't it? That was really quick.
You were like, oh, you'd already gone.
Do you recommend this place then?
Oh, that was
This is Life Bled.
This was really good. I really enjoyed that. It was so much fun and so fast.
Not bad for €11 either, is it?
No, you. I watched you in front of me and your head was like, you were going so fast. That was really cool. That was a lot of fun.
When I started off, I rammed it right forward thinking, oh, it won't go that fast, it's pretty tame. And my leg came out, I thought, wow, this is pretty quick. So all I did then, I thought, oh, it's not going to fall off, so I rammed it straight forward and went as fast as it'll go.
I looked at you and you were down on the bottom already and you were like swinging from side to side.
That was so quick. So if you're in Lake Bled, come up to it, you just go up, you'll see it if you're on the seafront, if you look up you'll see the Toboggan, the ski lift thing, and it's called Life Bled. So it's pretty good. 11, I think it's 11 for one go, up and down, 19 for two goes and so on. But it's good fun. Kids would love it.
Yeah,
if you've got kids and you
it.
look for something to do, they'll love it. So yeah, come up, check out Life Bled. Slovenian capital next, I think. So we've arrived in the capital of Slovenia. It's a little park. The Parkup is literally a car park on the edge of town. They have an area for motorhomes. €10 a night. It's pretty good actually. €10 a night. Cracking 4G signal. All the waste disposal, water, all that sort of stuff's here. But there's only 10 spaces in this one, and I can't bother to go up to the one that's got 50 spaces because this is a pretty good location. But you don't get the electric hookup and that sort of thing. So now we're on
Spy watch.
motorhome / campervan watch, watching when people disappear. So when they disappear, we get the disc lock off, we get the pedal lock off, and we shoot over there real quick. Oh, there's another guy, look. Kaz, just come up. Oh, they just tried to say, that's a nice family, they just come in, Kaz.
Right guys, so after a very strange night in this kind of car park with some very loud trains at like 2 AM in the morning.
Yeah, freight train came through about 2 AM, didn't
He
it?
like shook the van.
Actually turned out to be a pretty good campsite there.
Yeah.
Pretty good park up, didn't it?
Not bad for €10.
€10 today. Taking the Bromptons into Ljubljana, yeah, to see what the city's all about. So should be good, excited, looking forward to it. Pictures look awesome on Instagram, what the people have done on the websites look good about all the stuff you can see in there. So hopefully it should be good. So let's go. So here we are on the streets of Ljubljana, and this place is lovely. We just come around on the Bromptons, but you can walk around. It's just as easy to walk around. But these little Bromptons they're fantastic for just getting around. So we're just going to do a bit of exploring, show you the sights. Hey, thanks for that, Cuz.
What's that? Sorry, I was looking at those lovely golden retrievers. I was a bit distracted.
Feels like Venice, don't you think?
Yeah, you can get like canal routes. Boat rides up.
Oh, look, there's that church. That is Presernov Square, I think. Should we go there?
Yeah.
Presernov Square.
Yeah.
Let's go. So this bit's weird. You come to Ljubljana, there's 3 bridges in the middle here. You got this one that I'm stood on, and then you got another bridge, and another bridge at the side of that. And the reason for that is, in 1842 they replaced the medieval wooden bridge with this middle bridge, and then a few years later they decided to put a pedestrian bridge either side of that, and you end up with the 3 bridges you got now. Real strange. Pretty though. So this here is Presernov Square. No idea who Presernov is, but I think he's that guy there in that statue. And if you come here, this is the centre point of the whole of Ljubljana. And you've got the Franciscan Cathedral, the famous pink cathedral, and in the summer these sprinklers come up for the kids to keep them cool. But it's a really, really pretty face, and all the other streets come off it. All the cafe streets and the rivers and the triple bridge, everything comes off this Presernov Square. Really pretty.
The trees, they are singing to the tune of a song, and the wind is gently ringing the bell that brings the morning, welcome of the dawn.
Should get one of these little dudes to the front of the van. Stick you on there. If he was nodding, it'd be perfect.
Robin, the call of the dove.
The market's like split into different sections, isn't it?
Yeah,
You've got fruit and veg one side, crafts another, then you've got food, this part's the food area, and you got cafes down the other part.
Nice atmosphere, isn't it?
So if you want food, there's tons of food here. The place is absolutely buzzing as well, hive of activity. It's a really good atmosphere. It reminds me of when we went to Barbados on the Friday nights. Same sort of atmosphere, just buzzing, almost like a party atmosphere in the middle of it in the afternoon. Really nice, good fun. So this here is Dragon Bridge, and each corner of this bridge is adorned with dragons. And they say that Jason, when he was on his way back to, must have been Greece, with the Golden Fleece of Jason the Argonaut, that he slayed a dragon. And ever since then, a dragon has been integral to every part of this town. There's literally dragons everywhere. Everywhere you look, there's dragons. But this bridge in particular is one of the most famous bridges that you'll see in the town, with a dragon on each corner of it.
Daylight is calling, welcome of the dawn.
This place is weird, it gives me a creep. It's really weird, isn't it? 'Cause it used to be an army barracks, and they were going to tear it down apparently, and then people started squatting in here, and then they started putting graffiti on and stuff. They recognised that the graffiti was actually quite good, so it's been developed and it's now an area, it's now actually an area of a proper art museum. If you want to come and have a look at this, it's about a 10-minute walk from the old town. It's not that far if you've got a Brompton, of course, but it's about 10 minutes from the old town if you want to come and have a look.
21 degrees and sunny, just the way I always wanted. 저바랄까 또 없어 지금 이대로면 좋아.
So we go up to the castle. Wow, the furniture is wow. I think the
Alright, yeah.
furniture is about €4.
4? What, for both of us?
No, 4 for each. So we could just bike up there. Should we bike up there?
Yeah, let's try biking.
Come on, let's go biking.
It's pretty steep, isn't it? It's the only problem when you're too tight to take the funicular. It's always hard work, isn't it, when you're tight?
We could have got the binocular up.
Maybe not with the Bromptons.
They've got the booze in like a big container and they're passing it around. Is that the
Oh yeah.
You see?
Yeah, like a water bottle, innit?
It's so cool.
I think some guests are arriving as well in cars. I'm gonna have a look in here, Kaz.
Yeah, I saw this. We went past earlier.
See if I see some Targaryens.
Oh my days. I think he's thinking of buying a big green dragon. How much was that big one?
€39.
Yeah, I ain't paying 39 euros for a teddy bear that's going to get chucked around the van when I won't pay £15 to get into a castle.
What you ordered, Kaz?
Vegan dark chocolate orange ice cream for you and a Snickers ice cream for me.
Any drinks?
And a latte and an Americano.
That looks
How
nice.
nice is that?
That's quality.
That looks really, really sickly though.
It does look chocolatey, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Sweet. It's dark chocolate. It's very, very sweet.
Really, really sweet, isn't it?
We weren't even going to visit Ljubljana. We didn't even know anything about it. But what we found is it's an absolutely amazing city. It's small enough to feel like it's a town, but it's big enough and vibrant enough to feel like there's lots going on. There feels like there's lots of different peoples here. Everybody seems pretty happy, don't they?
Yeah.
Everybody seems like it's a real happy place. There's loads going on. The markets are amazing, the restaurants are amazing, the scenery is amazing, the buildings are amazing. There's even when you start getting into the history and the more modern side of it, it's all pretty amazing. I'm just totally blown away by the whole city, really.
Yeah, it's been really, really good. I'm completely off the cuff. We had no intention of coming here for the day, but I'm really pleased that we did. I think we've had a really lovely day.
Definitely recommend it. If you're in Slovenia, come and give the city a visit. And if you're in vans as well, it's really easy to park just outside of town. It's about 10-15 minute walk in. Really, really easy. So come and visit it. Show the love to Ljubljana. See you later, guys. Don't forget, subscribe, comment, like, and all that jazz. See you later.